Good morning to you. Welcome back. Alright, welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. Today I got something good, delicious, and for you to make. So today we will make a low carb, yes, I said low carb, French toast. So, you know, when you're on low carb or keto or any other diet that's cutting the sugar out, you can't have all that. So, I'm going to show you how to make your own low carb French toast. It's simple, it's easy. I think it's about 6 to 7 ingredients. Everything is going to be listed down in the description box with measurements. And I'm going to go over everything in the video and list it on the side of the video as well. It's only 3 net carbs. I think it's 210 calories. And baby, this is delicious, yummy, ooey and gooey. So we're going to make it. It takes 45 minutes to cook and it only takes 15 minutes to prep. So don't worry, I got you. So follow me in the kitchen. Let's go. Hey guys, so we're about to make the French toast low carb bread. Simple as easy. So what you want to do first, you want to put your oven on 350, preheat it. We're going to need that preheating while we're making everything right now because it's going to take 45 minutes to bake this bread. So I have all the good ingredients. I have all the good ingredients right here. So let's do a rundown. You need some coconut flour. I like this brand of coconut flour. If you have another brand, get that as well. You need some cinnamon. You need some vanilla. You need a whole pack of cream cheese, whatever style you like. You need some butter. You need 8 eggs, okay? And you need some baking powder. Not baking soda, but baking powder. Do not get it confused. You're going to need, for your cooking utensils, you need a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Tablespoon, a teaspoon. You need a whisk and you need a bowl. Does not matter what type of bowl. And you're also going to need a loaf pan. Or you can do a bigger loaf pan than this, but you're going to need a loaf pan, alright? So let's get to it. You're going to need to crack 8 eggs into your bowl. So let's start that first. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of almond flour. When you put this almond flour in here, make sure you level it out. So let me show you. When you scoop it out, this is a no-go. Do not put that in there because you didn't level it out. What you want to do is just scrape it down, pat it out. This is leveled. You want to go ahead and whisk this up. Now, you know, like a bigger. You can mix all at once if you are to mix later, which I should show the right way. You need to mix your knife first, then your but you don't matter, so it doesn't matter. I'll just keep doing fine. Use the hand mixer before you do it. You want to mix it up until it's nice and smooth. It's going to look like cake batter. Nice and smooth. Next, you want to put a teaspoon of baking powder. Once you level out. Come on in here. Next, you want to put your whole pack of cream cheese, 8 ounces. You want to make sure this is room temperature smooth. If it's not, then you can put it in the microwave for like 10 to 20 seconds at a time to make sure it's soft and smooth. Mine's been sitting out all morning, so soft and smooth. And then you also want to go ahead and add your 4 tablespoons of butter. So I had to go ahead and melt this butter and this cream cheese because it wasn't as soft as I needed to be. So I'm going to go ahead and add the 4 tablespoons of butter in here with the whole pack or 8 ounce of cream cheese. Okay, so go ahead and dump that on in there. Boom. Now this whisk is not going to get it because I just don't have time for it anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the hand blender. And it might get a little messy because I should have got a bigger bowl, but that's my fault. Start it on low and mix it up. Add a couple sprinkles of cinnamon in here. Just a couple. If you like cinnamon, do what you do. And you want to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Blend this up one more time. Alright. Normally, I don't make a mess like this, so I don't know what's going on. Whisk this up really, really good. Get everything at the bottom down to the top and to the top to the bottom. And it should look like cake batter. This is what cake batter looks like. It should be thick, consistency like that. Good to go. Now, you can put it in your loaf pan like this. Oh, I got a bigger loaf pan, so hold on. Or you can put it in a loaf pan like this. This looks like it's a lot going on. So I seen people put it in this. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I want this to last for the whole week, and this looks like there's a lot going on in here. Or do I want to put it in here? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put it in a loaf pan. We just gonna F it. Put it in a loaf pan. Spray it with some Pam or whatever you like to use. Spray it and put it in a loaf pan. We're gonna pray that. We just gonna pray. And we're gonna pour all this goodness in here. Now this is a serving for 8 people, so this is gonna last me for the whole week. Okay. And y'all know how I feel. Do not waste anything. I don't even know where my spatula at. Today, it was not meant for me to bake. I'm being so sloppy today. Alright, so just hit it a couple times. Make sure all the bubbles out of there. This is what it should look like. Like cake batter, put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Preheat your oven, and when we come back, I am going to show you what this looks like, baby. It's going to be fantastic. Alright, so the bread is done. It just popped out the pan like so, and I cut it. This, you're supposed to get 3 nice three nice thick slices like so. It's really good. I put some cinnamon on top, did like a little marble effect. When you get done, cut them into slices. Once you cut them into slices, put them in a pan on medium, and you put some real butter in here. And then you want to flip it. It's going to get brown. Oh, look at that. Nice and brown with the butter on it. And it smells delicious. And the syrup that I'm going to use is this syrup that I was telling you about earlier. You can use that, or you can use the original syrup, which I'm not going to use. And once it gets nice and brown, we're going to put it in our plate, and we're going to put some eggs on the side with our bacon, and this is going to be finished. Doesn't take that long to cook, and it's delicious.